This aircraft now teaches you all of the issues that are involved with flying a turbine-powered aircraft. And mostly it boils down to energy management, managing the power within the turbine and the residual power. Here comes the first one. Takeoff, power, fast down, and he rotates. Keep an eye on, gear up, flap is up. And he's starting to move. He's come back on power. He's probably back at about 3/4 stick right now, getting himself trimmed up and set around to come around from our left. And here's a slow flyby. And you can hear the power of the turbine coming up. He's at full 30 pounds now, coming up and over. Coming halfway down on a half even craft even door skins. Here's a low flyby, slow. Staying down low on a slow turn. Amazingly quiet in the air considering how loud it was on the ground. It's amazing how quiet these aircraft are. A nice steady rate, nice bank turn all the way around. This is one of the few fields that allow turbine airplanes to fly at it. We also fly out at Tow Field at the full-size airship. And last week we had a fun fly out there with we had about a dozen pilots. 15 or so aircraft out there. Bruce is now getting ready and set up for a landing. He's coming close on his fuel. That would have been about a 7.5-minute flight so far, and as I said, 2.5 liters of fuel has been burned. As he comes by here, he'll have his speed set for a landing setup, deploying his gear. He'll be pulling his nose up, and there you see the gear comes out. You can hear the turbine actually speeding up to compensate for the drag of the gear. He'll be dropping in flap. He's at half flap right now. You'll notice a definite slowing in the aircraft. He'll be coming on to full flap at this point. Maintaining his speed and his thrust in the setup. He'll come over top of the threshold, maintaining some power on the turbine in case he has to go around. As he gets set, he's over threshold. He will come back fully on power right now. Set his landing, let it sink down, and pull the nose up. Nice landing. Well done, Bruce.